Hey, Shug. Hi, it's me again. It's TG. To the F. So wake up. Let's get it going, okay, Shug? Get you a strong cup of coffee, get that, thing in your arm and get it pumped up to your heart. Wake up. Anyway, Shug, life's all about milestones. Whether we're celebrating pouring our own milk to, hair on our big toe, we have to celebrate these things, or else we lose sight of why we're here. Yes, Miss Sissy has an enlightened side every once in a while, Shug, but then, bam, I'm snapped back to reality that I have hairy toes. Yay for me. Yay. Anyways, two things in my life that have scared me to the point of almost counseling, Shug, almost. The prepared dough that comes in, that tubey, toilet paper looking thing, and it's like Jack in the Box, Bam! And it's like, it rearranges your whole day. It just drops you right there. Guess every time who had to open those? Me. It was like, you get to open it, keep these open. It's no thank you. I will cut the watermelon, Shug. I will put chips in the bowl, Shug. I will wash your toilet, but I will not and I won't open up your Jack in the Box, Pado, no thank you. And I try to be nice about it, but Shug, I have overcome that hurdle in my life. I can now open it like a pro. I was opening one last night and I just giggled and I thought, okay. I still made the funny face, the like it's gonna get me thing, but it didn't get me. I got it. Breathe. Count to 5. Yeah. Anyways, other ones. Spiders. See, I hesitated there. I got it, though. I'm working on it. Spiders. Spiders. But you know what? They're just a little thing. We're so much bigger and they're so much smaller. I just worry when I'm sleeping, but what am I gonna do, Spiders. Anyways, I watched them and freak out. They got up on a chair and they screamed to holy high heaven. And I was like, it's just a spider, Shug. Our first initial instinct is to beat it up, burn the house down, hope to God you don't have, I think it's going to crawl on top of me and just beat me up. But Shug, it's just a little thing. And no, it won't do it. So I nicely try to get paper, a shoe, a coffee mug, something. I try not to beat it up at first, but most of them have lived. A few of them have lived. A select few have lived. Let's just put it that way. I'm getting better, Shug, getting better. But, just put them outside, and then if it's too cold, just go down the toilet. Like I say, everything leads to the ocean, Shug. Okay, well, I didn't say that initially, but, Shug, it's good advice. So, be nice to them. Spiders, I can't believe I just said that, Shug. And no, I haven't had a margarita. It's only, in the AM. They're not that bad. Just don't make a fool out of yourself. Get off the furniture. Don't turn the hairspray on them. Don't burn them. Just shoo them. And then breathe. And then if you need a margarita or 6 or whatever, go for it, Shug. So anyways, this has been long enough, but hey, good for me. Just wanted to share it with you. Hope you find your milestones today. What is your milestone? Did you get to use the bathroom all day? Good, great, wonderful. Have a good day, Shug. And hey, Shug, hug somebody. Bye-bye.